Hey, it's Alexander. You're probably here because you want to know how to get top rated on Upwork. And I'm going to give you exactly that. So should you even want this? Is it worth it to get top rated? Is it going to help you succeed as a freelancer or agency owner on Upwork? Absolutely it will. Here's why. Not only do you get that coveted little badge that indicates that you're one of the top people on Upwork and allows you to be featured in top rated filter results when clients look for top-rated freelancers and agencies only. Also, you get reduced fees starting at 10% and on featured jobs, and you get premium customer support, which includes phone and chat, and you get exclusive invitations to submit proposals, which means that those freelancers and VAs that work for Upwork, the company, they send you invitations to special jobs, so you get invited more. And you get an exclusive job digest email, but we don't really care about that. You get the ability to exercise more control over your job success score, and, well, you can look up that up what that means, but basically it means that you have more control when your score goes down to get it back up. And you get the opportunity to check with Upwork during online office hours exclusively for top rated. This is like special support. And you get the opportunity to host top-rated events in your city, so you can network with other freelancers nearby in your city. So that's kind of significant, okay? Like you should definitely go for this. So let's get right into how to get this top-rated status. How do you achieve this? Well, first of all, before I get started, please do hit that subscribe button and bell notification icon so you get future updates on videos about Upwork and freelancing and how to build an agency in general. So hit the subscribe button. Now let's dive right into the content. How do you get the top rated badge? So first of all, you cannot get it unless you've been a member and you got hired for the first time via Upwork. So you got any payment via Upwork at least 90 days ago. So if you're starting out on Upwork now, get your first review, get your first hire immediately, because that's gonna get the timer rolling of that 90 days. And 90 days from the point you get it, you're gonna be able to get the top rated status. So whatever you can do, like get clients from outside of Upwork to hire you on Upwork, whatever you can do, get those reviews, get those hires as soon as possible. It'll also help you with other parts of your Upwork and freelancing career, as we discussed in other videos, but that's a topic for another video. Let's just continue with the list of things you need and how to achieve them. So the next thing you need is a job success score of at least 90%. So be very picky with who you work with and try to make sure that you know how to deliver to them. If you're picky and you make sure that you can deliver to them, then they're likely to give you positive reviews. And also, if you bring existing clients that are already happy to work with you and they are appreciating your work, they're gonna leave you a positive review most likely as well. So that's how you maintain a 90% success rate. Now, what I'm gonna tell you is actually, you need to get a 100% success rate. 90% is good enough for the top rated badge, but it's not really what clients are looking for. Clients, they want a 100% success rate. That looks way better in your profile. So the next thing you need is to maintain a rising talent or 90% plus success score on your profile for the last 13 of the last 16 weeks. So I recommend just getting the 100% success rate on your profile and maintaining it for 13 weeks. If you can, maintain at least the rising talent status. And that's a topic for a separate video. It's quite similar. It's like what you get in the first 30 days or so. You can get the rising talent thing on your profile. And you can maintain it to get that top rated status. So once you achieve the rising talent, keep it for a while, for 13 weeks out of the last 16 weeks, and then you're likely gonna get the top rated status. But we have a few more points to discuss here for you to be able to achieve that top rated status. So the next point is, over the last 12 months, and it doesn't have to be 12 months, it can also be 3 months, but over the last 12 months or less, you must have made at least $1,000 on Upwork. If you made at least $1,000 on Upwork over the last 12 months, you're eligible. Otherwise, get some clients, get some people from outside of Upwork that are already your clients to come pay you if you have to as well, but get some clients to spend $1,000 on your profile on Upwork. The next point is very short. Just keep your availability up to date. Just keep it up to date. If you're gonna go on a holiday, set your account to not available when you're on a holiday. Very, very simple. Otherwise, you're getting invites and people are wasting their time contacting you. No one really likes that. The next point is you need to maintain good account standing with Upwork. So don't do funny things like post links on your profile that are not allowed, or do anything else that is against Upwork terms of use. Just glance, look at the Upwork terms of use, read a summary at least. I would read the whole thing, it's not that long. Just read the Upwork terms of use and don't do anything that Upwork doesn't like. And if you do it like that, you're gonna get top rated status if you comply with everything else. If you don't, they don't really want you to be top rated. They don't want to give you extra privilege because you're not making them as much money. So maintain good standing, and let's go to the next point. This is the final point, so you need to have activity in your profile in the last 30 days. That's what Upwork wants you to do. I say not good enough. If you want to succeed on Upwork, you need to be active every single week. And in fact, I would recommend sending at least 10 proposals per day, 5 days a week. Now, you need to get hired sometimes. If you do this and you don't get hired, you're gonna get flagged for just spamming people. But if you get hired and you're doing 10 per day, you're gonna get that status so very quickly. And you're gonna get a lot of money as well because you're gonna get clients if things go well. So basically, 90 days, in the last 90 days, you need to have been active. That means proposals, accepted invites, or money received on the platform. If you have all that and the other 7 points, congratulations, you have top rated status. So next up, I have a video for you on how to get your first client on Upwork. It's a detailed explanation on how to set up your profile and everything else to allow you to get your first client. Check it out right here, and please also hit the subscribe button so you get future updates on more Upwork training videos.